When it comes to supporting a cause you care about, finding a way to get your funds where they're needed most is the top priority. Many people are using platforms like Uphold, and a common question is whether you can use it for charity or NGO transfers. The short answer is yes, you can. Uphold's platform is designed to be flexible, allowing users to move between various assets, including fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. This flexibility can be a powerful tool for philanthropic giving. Let's break down how this works. The most common way to donate to a charity or NGO using Uphold is through a direct transfer. If the organization has an Uphold account, you can send funds directly to them. This is often the most straightforward method. You simply select the asset you want to donate, enter the recipient's details, and confirm the transfer. But what if the charity doesn't have an Uphold account? You can still send funds to their external bank account or crypto wallet. Uphold allows you to withdraw funds to a traditional bank account in various national currencies or to a crypto wallet on a supported network. Now, a very important point for charities and NGOs themselves: accepting donations through a platform like Uphold requires careful consideration. Organizations must adhere to strict financial regulations, like anti-money laundering or AML policies. This means they need to verify the legitimacy of donations and donors, and keep detailed records. While the technology makes it easy to send funds, the charity receiving them has to do its due diligence to ensure everything is compliant. This is a crucial step in maintaining transparency and public trust. So, Uphold can absolutely be used for charity and NGO transfers. It offers a convenient way to move both traditional and digital assets. However, it's essential for both the donor and the organization to be aware of the process and the regulatory requirements involved. It's a modern way to give, but the core principles of due diligence and transparency remain the same.